Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something fundamental in any relationship, intimacy, but not just the sexy kind. We're diving deep into the emotional and physical closeness that makes couples feel connected and secure. But what happens when trauma throws a wrench into that intimacy? Maybe cuddling on the couch feels scary, or even holding hands brings back bad memories. You're not alone. Trauma can have a powerful impact on how couples connect and is a topic we don't often hear about. Take a moment to subscribe and smash that like button and never miss another video from the Family 26. Now, back to our topic. Trauma can be anything from a single horrific event to repeated experiences of abuse or neglect. And while we often think of trauma affecting our mental health, it can also have a profound impact on our physical intimacy. Here's the thing, intimacy isn't just about sex. It's about feeling safe, trusting your partner, and being vulnerable with them. Studies from the Gottman Institute show that trauma can make it difficult to open up emotionally. Sharing feelings and experiences can be scary after trauma. You might fear rejection or getting hurt again. Be physically close. Even non-sexual touch like hugging or holding hands can trigger memories or feelings of discomfort. Communicate effectively. Trauma can make it hard to express your needs and understand your partners. These issues can create a feeling of disconnection in the relationship. The good news, you can heal from trauma and rebuild intimacy with your partner. Here are some key steps you can apply. Individual therapy. A therapist can help you understand your trauma, develop coping mechanism, and build self-esteem. Couples therapy. A therapist trained in trauma can provide a safe space for you and your partner to communicate, rebuild trust, and develop healthy ways to express intimacy. Communication skills. Learning active listening skills and expressing your needs calmly can bridge the gap. Now, let's get practical. Here are some exercises you can try at home to rebuild trust and connection. The 3 good things challenge. Every night, share 3 positive things that happened to you that day. This fosters positive communication and appreciation. The 5-minute cuddle challenge. Start small with non-sexual touch. Set a timer for 5 minutes and simply cuddle without pressure. The vulnerability challenge. Take turns writing down a fear or insecurity you have about the relationship. Share it with your partner and listen openly to theirs. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and effort exercising real intent. Be patient with yourselves and celebrate small victories. Trauma can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to define your relationship. With work and support, you can heal from trauma and build an even stronger, more connected intimacy with your partner. If you're struggling with trauma or intimacy issues in your relationship, don't hesitate to reach out for help. There are resources available, and you don't have to go through this alone. Leave a comment below with any question you have, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship advice.